Hi guys, I'm Sonal and welcome to my channel. Today I'm making a keto microwavable flaxseed bread. So I've already shared this recipe with you guys. The reason to make this again is because I feel like my editing skills and my recording skills have improved. I wanted to give you a fresher, nicer video. Let's start off with the recipe now. Here I'm taking 3 tablespoons of flaxseed. In the previous one I had taken 4 because I was using a larger egg. This time I have a medium sized egg. The reason to make this with flaxseed is because flaxseed is extremely good for you. It's high in omega-3 fatty acids, it's high in fiber, low in carb, it's already sticky, so if you add it to a lot of your bread preparations, it makes it easier to make. Although it's a keto ingredient, it holds like gluten would hold. I've ground this in a coffee grinder. You want to make a fine powder and you want to always grind it when you need it or it gets rancid. To this I've added 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of oil, which is also different from previous recipe. It had butter, and this is my egg. So I just wanted to show you guys that you can make these changes. You just have to kind of understand what the batter should look like, and it's going to be a little different here and there, but it doesn't matter so much. It's still delicious. It's still going to work out. So I'm mixing all of this together. Now butter has a little more water than olive oil would have, so I'm going to add a little bit of water now. I've taken about 50 ml of water here, and I'm adding a little bit at a time as and when I need it until I get a pourable dough. So I'm going to show you the consistency that we are looking for, and you can do this because each brand of flaxseed is going to be different. So some will be more sticky than the others, some will absorb more water. This time I'm going to make this in a mini waffle maker. The last time I made it in the microwave oven. Batter can be used in any which way that you want. You can even put it in the oven. In a mini waffle maker, you can add 1 or 2 tablespoons of the batter at one time, which is what I have done. I've added 2 tablespoons. I'm also adding some butter. You can cook it as long as you want. So I've let it get a little brown. I also wanted to show you guys how to make it in the microwave because I realized that why not. So the rest of the batter, I've put it in a square dish. We've put butter on the bottom and a little bit on the sides, and we are going to cook it for 1 minute and 20 seconds. Sometimes it'll cook in 1 minute. So just touch it once it's cooked or set. You can get it out, let it cool down. And now my bread has cooled down. I want to show you what it looks like from the bottom. If you were using the whole dough and cooking it in the microwave, then you would want to slice it horizontally, which is what I normally do. So look at the texture here. So our bread is ready. Look at how good it looks. You can make a keto jelly or a jam, and I've shared the recipe. Try it out. I'm going to lightly toast the bread and eat it with some kimchi and some sunny side up eggs. But before that, if you like this video, please click the like button, share it with your friends and family, people who are doing keto or love to take care of their health and eat low carb. So share this recipe with those. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you are interested in the gadgets and the ingredients that I use in my kitchen, all of that information is on my website, and a link to that is in the description. So I've toasted my bread, my eggs are ready. Just wanted to show you the texture here. Look at it. It's just like any other bread. But for me, this is perfect. And look at the crumb. Let me also show you what it looks like when you eat it with eggs. Perfect, isn't it, for how quick it is? So if you try the recipe, don't forget to let me know. So thanks for watching. Bye.